Discover more about products regulation in the Encyclopedia. You can find out more about the products that are included in CPR and who is responsible for ensuring that products entering the supply chain meet the requirements of the regulation. Performance tests on a cable's reaction to fire are based on flame spread, heat release, smoke production, flaming droplets and acidity. In this chapter, we provide clear explanations for each of these characteristics which make up a cable's performance classification. Each member state has their own national minimum standards for installations to comply with. An up-to-date list of these is available in this chapter. You can rely on Excel networking to provide support and clarity to ensure that your installations are compliant with national standards and regulations.